Now we'll go to fourth sum. If n varies directly as m, complete the following table. M and n values are given here. So first m3 is given, n is 12 is given. Okay. Then third column, m is given, n is not given. Fourth one, m is not given, n is given. Then according to this, we'll find the values of m and n. Write down solution. M varies directly as m. इसका मतलब m proportional to n, that is given. Therefore, n is equal to km. Here k is a constant. K is a constant. Then here when n is equal to 12, first column का value डालो. n is equal to 12, m is equal to 3. Therefore 12 is equal to, now we have to find the value of k. K into 3, that is, therefore k is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. Therefore k का value कितना आया? 4. k is equal to 4, that is constant of variation. This is constant of variation we got, that is value of k is 4. Now which is the equation? N is equal to km. Therefore n is equal to km. N is equal to, k का value 4, 4m is the equation of variation. Okay. Now first find out, first and second no problem, already given. Third one is m is given, n is not given. Therefore m is equal to 6.5. Therefore find the value of n. Put again formula, n is equal to km. Therefore n is equal to, k का value आया 4, m का value आया 6.5. Therefore multiply n is equal to, you will get 26. Okay, second one. See here, m is not given, n is given. When n is 28, therefore n is equal to km. Substitute here, 28 is equal to, k means 4, m is not given. Therefore m is equal to 28 upon 4. 4 ones are, 4 sevens are. Therefore m का value कितना आया? 7 आया. Next we'll go to third one. See here, m is given, n is not given. When m is equal to 1.25, then formula write down, n is equal to km. n is equal to km. n, k का value कितना? 4. m means 1.25. Therefore n का value आया 1.25 into 4, you will get 5. Therefore completed table. Now substitute all the values in the table. Completed table is given below. The first you write m, next write, first one is 3, 12, next to 5, 20, then fourth one 6.5, third one 6.5, then next value you got 26, next 7 and 28, then last one 1.25 and 5. This is your completed table. Okay, then we'll go to fifth sum. That is very simple. Y varies directly as square root of x. When x is 16, y is 24. Find the constant variation and the equation of variation. Now see the, according to question, y varies directly as the square root of x. Here x का value is given 16. 16 कौन सा नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट है? 16 4 का, मीन्स 4 4 जा 16, राइट है. सो according to the question, you write down solution. Write down y is directly proportional to square root of x, that is given. Therefore y is equal to k into root x. Here x का वैल्यू क्या दिया, x दिया 16, y दिया 24. अभी सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 24 इज इक्वल टू, k का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, k इंटू रूट 16. रूट 16 कौन सा नंबर का, मैंने पहले बोल दिया, रूट 16 का मतलब 4, राइट है. 24 is equal to k into 4. Therefore, the value of k is 24 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 6 are. Therefore, k is equal to 6. That is constant of variation. Now, equation किधर है तुम्हारा, y is equal to k into root x. Therefore, y is equal to k into root x. Therefore y is equal to k का वैल्यू 6 और 6 into root x लिखा तो भी ठीक है, या 6 root x लिखा तो भी राइट. is the equation of variation. Therefore, the constant of variation is 6. कांस्टेंट ऑफ, ये फाइंड आउट करने को बोला है ना, इसके लिए लिखना पड़ेगा. देयरफॉर कांस्टेंट ऑफ वेरिएशन इज 6 एंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ वेरिएशन इज y is equal to 6 root x. Underline this answer. Now we'll go to last sum. See this. द टोटल रिम्यूनरेशन का मतलब है सैलरी. लेबरर्स को सैलरी देते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं रिम्यूनरेशन. पेड टू लेबरर एम्प्लॉयड टू हार्वेस्ट सोयाबीन इज इन डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन विद द नंबर ऑफ लेबरर्स. इफ द रिम्यूनरेशन ऑफ 4 लेबरर्स ₹1000, फर्स्ट लेबरर 4 दिया, अमाउंट दिया 1000, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में फाइंड द, अभी अमाउंट फाइंड आउट करने का लेबरर दिया है. ओके, अभी हम लोग रिम्यूनरेशन, इधर अल्फ़ाबेट्स नहीं दिया, अभी हम लोग कौन सा भी अल्फ़ाबेट ले सकते हैं. अभी मैंने रिम्यूनरेशन का मतलब है, मैं लेती हूँ आर से चालू होता है, तो हम लोग रिम्यूनरेशन हम लोग लेंगे आर एंड नंबर ऑफ लेबरर, नंबर मीन्स एन लेंगे. ओके, राइट डाउन. लेट द remuneration, remuneration be R. Number of laborer be N. अभी हमारा remuneration लिया R, laborer लिया N. Both are direct proportion. Therefore, R proportional to n, that is given. Therefore, R is equal to Kn. Here K is a constant. Okay, now next what we have to find out here. Here, if remuneration of 4 laborer, now laborer you has taken n and this amount is taken 1000 का मतलब R, right है. Now substitute that value. When, first one, when n is equal to 4, R is equal to 1000. हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या है, R is equal to Kn. R is given, n is given. Now we have to find out the value of K. Therefore, R is 1000, K I don't know, into n का वैल्यू 4. Therefore, K is equal to 1000 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 50s are. Therefore, the value of K is equal to 250. That is constant of variation. Now, I have to find out equation of variation, that you put it in this. Therefore, R is equal to Kn. R is equal to K का value 250 into N. This is the equation of variation. Okay. Then next second question, what we have to find out here? Find the remuneration of 17 laborer. Now amount nahi, only laborers are given, amount we have to find out. Okay, remuneration का मतलब amount. To find remuneration, that is N is given. N is what? N is 17. Therefore, again you write the formula R is equal to Kn, right? Therefore, R is equal to Kn. I want the value of R. R is equal to K means 250, N is equal to 17. Therefore, the value of R is equal to 250 into 7, you will get 4250. Therefore, the remuneration of 17 laborers is rupees 4250.